we are in Siddhi Enclave. It's a nice prominent building in Ville Parle East area on Nanda Patkar Road. The beauty of this building is you have a nice lovely long area over here. As you can see, it's very hard to find such type of big plots in Ville Parle East. The second best part is you have enough ample parking space over here with the valet parking facilities as well. Plus you have amenities such as clubhouse, a small play garden area, and the terrace is also well maintained. We'll show you the property bit by bit. Also we are showing you a 4-bedroom hall kitchen apartment which is there for sale. Let's have a look. As you enter, you have a nice lovely L-shaped living and dining area over here. Entry east-west exit. It's a 1291 carpet area. We are in Siddhi Enclave. North and south, you have both the sides ventilation open, as you can see. Moving ahead from living and dining area over here, on the right hand side, you have a nice lovely kitchen with parallel countertops, wherein you have the space for refrigerator and washing machine as well, as you can see. Nice lovely huge kitchen over here. Moving ahead, you have the first common washroom over here. From common washroom, let's come to the small bedroom. In case if at all you want to attach this washroom to this bedroom, there is a provision as well. Moving ahead, let's come to the second bedroom. This can be used as your kids' room or your office setup as well, in case if at all you went to. Moving ahead, here is the first bedroom which has a washroom attached to it as well. It's facing on the campus side. You have the nice lovely washrooms as well, and in the bedroom also you have enough space. Coming to the last bedroom, which is the fourth bedroom, this also has a washroom attached to it. I repeat once again, you see the size of the bedrooms. It's a 1291 carpet area. You are in Siddhi Enclave. This flat has 3 car parkings. We are on the first floor. OC received. Each and everything is there in place. You have lots of amenities as well. We'll have a look at the amenities now as well. Come. The society has a nice, lovely, beautiful terrace. You have the amazing open view from the terrace from all the sides. The advantage of this location is that it is very near to the Western Express Highway, very near to the Aqualine Metro, is just the next lane away from this lane as well. And yes, the railway station is also hardly around 10 minutes walking distance from this place. And yes, even the domestic terminal, the domestic T1 airport is also just at a walking distance. So location wise, it is getting the best advantage. The society has a nice lovely garden wherein the kids can play as well. They have the kids play area as well, and next to the kids play area, they have a nice lovely clubhouse wherein you can play indoor games such as table tennis, carom and chess. One of the most prominent societies in Ville Parle East. In case if you are looking for a landmark to stay in Ville Parle East, Siddhi Enclave is the place to be. To know more, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors.